Hello everyone, DQ here, and today I have this Zeiss Ikon Padlock, which has restricted keyway. As you can see here, it's stamped res. It has the K9 keyway, as we can see from the key K9. It's not very wide, but you can still pick it with 0.4 millimeter hooks. No problem, even 0.5 millimeter, it's okay. I'm going to use Moki hooks, which are going to be 0.5 millimeters. The hook is also gettable, so I'm going to get it after picking. So let's try to pick it. Okay, heavy tension, pin 1, binding very hard. Okay, we have a faucet, pin 2, counter rotation, pin 3, counter rotation, pin 4, counter rotation, pin 5 was dropped. Okay, let's reset the hook because I overset. No worries. So let's just go again. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4. Okay, got the counter rotation on 2, counter rotation on 3, 5 is binding. Okay, let's reset it again. I don't mind watching me fail because that's part of Oxford, failing many times until you succeed. So let's go again. Now pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 2 dropped because I heard it, pin 4, pin 5, and I failed again. So let's reset it again. Okay, this time I will set pin 1 first to get the faucet, then go to pin 4 because it's a low lift, then go to pin 1 again, pin 2, pin 1, pin 2 is set, pin 3, and with deep hook let's go to 5. Here it is, counter rotation. Oh, and we have it picked. Nice. So the deep hook helped me with pin 5 because as you can see it's pretty deep lift. So yeah, we have it picked. Now let's get it. Okay, let me see. Unscrew this. Until the cord drops. Okay. Now let me see. Let's hook it back up. Have to remove this C-clip. Oh, it's very nice C-clip, easy to remove. Now I'll rotate it slightly, use the shim Well, I haven't gotten a lock since last year actually, so this will be fun. Okay, get it forward and hope all goes well. And it did go well. So we have master wafer on pin 1. That's not big deal. It's interesting that the padlock has 6 pins for the chamber, but whoops. Okay, found the master wafer, but only 5 of the pin stacks are occupied, but it doesn't really matter. So these are the key pins. I don't have a tweezers actually, so I should probably find one. Yeah, I can't find my tweezers, but anyways, I'll still get it, no problem. I can just do it the old-fashioned way. Pin 1 is looks like it's standard, and all the rest should be spools because I felt the counter rotation on them. Okay, 2 more, 1 more. Okay, the last one is standard. So there we have it. We have 3 spools and 2 standard pins, 1 master wafer on position 1. And yeah, that's basically the Zeiss Ikon Padlock K9 keyway picked and got it. It's not a hard lock by any means, but it will definitely keep you safe from low skill attacks. So yeah, this will be it. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day and bye bye.